And more restrictions as COVID-19 cases are still climbing. Good morning, I'm Lloyd Allen, and this is the Morning Edition. The Bahamas among nations globally that are forced to continue with restrictions. At this time, residents in New Providence, Abaco, and Grand Bahama will have to endure key measures for a bit longer. Prime Minister the Most Honorable Dr. Hubert Minnis announced in a national press conference on Wednesday that a new weekday curfew of 8 p.m. to 5 a.m. will begin tomorrow in those islands. He noted the need for the ongoing measures.
It is important that we understand that these cycles of tightening and loosening of restrictions are part of life in the pandemic. If cases spike and no restrictions are put in place, the virus will run wild and infect and kill more people. Countries around the world are going through their own similar cycles. In fact, some jurisdictions in Europe are currently imposing more aggressive restrictions than we have here in the Bahamas. Some of them are going as far as multi-week lockdowns and stricter curfews.
Now, the Prime Minister says, as it stands, special attention must also be given to Eleuthera. That island, he says, is still seeing a rise in new cases.
Due to the increase in COVID-19 related activity on Eleuthera, Spanish Wells, and Harbour Island, the Ministry of Health will dispatch an emergency team to assess the situation, as was done previously in Bimini. And following this assessment, a determination will be made on what specific measures may be needed for Eleuthera, Spanish Wells, and Harbour Island.